Today, we're making content.
Hey everyone. I actually have no idea what to talk about. Okay. Hey everyone. Hopefully the camera doesn't die. There we go. This is the one. You know, I always seem to run into technical difficulties on a recording day. I don't know what it is, but it's just like all of the technology decides not to work. So earlier this morning when I was recording my first content video of the day, it's actually one that I'm pretty excited to be sharing with you because it's about Instagram, but I actually recorded my phone, my laptop, and then just the normal camera, I don't know what you call that, the normal camera recording at the same time. So I was like swapping through 3 different sources. So it'll be interesting to see how that turns out. But midway through, the camera died, which means all of a sudden I had to stop the screen and the phone at the same time. It was a bit of a mess, but hopefully we'll be able to figure it out. Just sharing that with you because pretty much every time I sit down to record, something seems to go wrong or get in the way. And it's something that you're going to experience if you ever decide to create content where you're just going to have to get over that hump and make sure that you still bring the energy or bring the creativity even when just 5 minutes prior you were yelling at your computer, why won't you copy these files? Or the GoPro continues to die, which is something I'm really not happy with. I'm actually having a lot of problems with this GoPro, so we'll see how long it lasts for the vlog. But anyway, something I did want to share, something actionable that will actually be helpful to you, other than Jason just whining about making videos all day, is how long it takes me to make videos. And I think this is something that holds a lot of people back. And every once in a while I get this question. I don't get it as often as I should, but it's, hey, how long does it take you to make a video? And so this morning, writing out the content outline and then coming up with the designs that I was going to do for the screen capture, that wound up taking me about 2 hours to put together before I even hit record. And then between recording parts 1 and 2, I actually had an interview in the middle because someone's putting together a book and hopefully I'll be a part of it. We'll see if I make the cut. But putting parts together 1 and 2 of recording, that was about another 45 minutes. So something that's interesting with content creation, especially with video, is recording is actually the shortest part of the process. The editing and everything that comes afterwards that someone else on my team handles now versus the content writing and coming up with the slides, that tends to be the most time-consuming part. Like right now, I'm about to record content video number 2 of the day, and it's all about membership websites, putting together about 30 slides. And of course, you probably noticed that I repeat a lot of slides now because I just don't have time to make new slides for every single video. But about 30 slides, the video is probably going to be about 10 minutes long, and it took an hour and a half to write the content outline and put together the slides, and then it'll probably take another 30 minutes to record 10 minutes worth of content. So I definitely don't get it on the first try. And I know that's something my business partner Jesse always asks, like, how long does it actually take you? The first, I'd say 30 seconds of the video, I probably redo at least 5 or 6 different times before I actually get into the flow and go into the video. So with that, time to record. So comment below if you have any questions, and as always, keep building the business you love. Whew. 3 videos in one day. I am happy. We are done.